Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bertemu lagi dengan saya di sesi replay Out Games seri PlayStation 2. Dan seperti terlihat di layar ya, kali ini saya akan coba untuk melanjutkan game Grandia 3 yang tertinggal di part pertama ya. Dan di part kedua ini sekalian juga saya ingin mencoba versi yang HD remaster buatan PAN ya. Buatan PAN, bukan buatan original dari developer ya, ini PAN made gitu ya. HD-nya katanya teksturnya katanya di-upgrade jadi lebih tinggi gitu ya. Mudah-mudahan ini nggak ada masalah, sekalian coba. Tapi kalaupun ada masalah nanti paling saya balik lagi ke versi yang originalnya aja ya. Oke, langsung saja. Wow, ini dari ikon orang-orangnya nih kelihatan sekali gambarnya lebih tajam ya. Kayaknya memang bener teksturnya sudah di upgrade sekalian sama FPS ya, jadi dipaksa jadi 60 gitu. Mudah-mudahan aja nggak ada masalah nih.
It's about time. I've been waiting for you.
Lah, ini kayaknya seperti nge-lag gini ya.
You've been waiting for us? You mean you've been waiting for help? Come on, we've got to get going, you two. I hope you rot up in that net, muscle-bound pea-brain.
Oh, telat kan.
What? Hey, did I hear you correctly? Did you just call me a muscle-bound pea-brain?
Huh?
Gambarnya telat nih.
I said, did you just call me a pea-brain?
Gambar sama suaranya udah sinkron ya. Mungkin efek FPS-nya dinaikin mungkin ya. Filmnya nih soalnya cuman 30, originalnya nih nggak tahu lah. Tuh kan dia gambarnya telat tuh, dialognya udah selesai, ini malah gambarnya malah lambat kayak gini. Kita coba aja lah, terusin deh, nggak apa-apa. Siapa tahu nih mungkin yang errornya ini aja gitu, yang kedepannya normal gitu ya. Kita coba dulu deh. Soalnya nih teksturnya bener-bener tajam nih, keren.
You're in for a beating, you little brat! I'll knock some sense into you. This ain't gonna be pretty, Cornell Buster!
Kalau lagi battle kayak gini sih suaranya normal aja ya.
Fools.
Mungkin dalam hanya di itu aja ya, hanya di apa, di film aja ya mungkin. Udah sempet nyerang, sikat aja deh pakai ini ke siapa ya. Oke, bisa di cancel. Ini tuh record begini. Itu guys.
Get ready for a little slice and dice. Stings a little, doesn't it?
Light, grant us protection.
Ini kayaknya bagusnya di internal resolusinya ditinggikan aja nih bagusnya nih. Misalkan ke 4K gitu.
Get ready for a little slice and dice. Ha! Stings a little, doesn't it?
Sting a little, doesn't it? Pakai apa ya? Ini aja deh. Waduh, kalah cepet nih. Kalah cepet.
In for a beating, you little brats!
This should help.
Just caught me off guard, that's all.
Tremor aja deh, andalan. Ini coba crackle-nya ke yang damage-nya gede nih, crackle aja deh.
Crackle.
Tremor!
Mati. Aduh, tremornya nggak guna dong. Kok masih banyak musuhnya? Perasaan tadi tuh udah.
I'll be fine.
Come on!
Crackle lagi deh.
Get ready for a little slice and dice. Ha! Stings a little, doesn't it?
Not so fast!
You're in for a beating, you little brats!
Keras juga nih ininya. Comet Spike. Ya udah ikutin saran itu aja deh.
Oh, divine comet,
Saran
bring our
komputer
heart.
aja deh.
Illuminate the darkness.
Kecil cuman 44. Mampus tuh. Healing herb 300.
This one should work.
Kok nggak heal? Kok nggak heal? Miranda sama Alpina yang itu mah. Ah, salah.
Emilius.
This should work.
Salah heal. Saya malah lihatnya ke Alpina sama Yuki, padahal dia tuh Miranda yang heal tuh barusan tuh. Salah. Hidupin lagi.
Hey, dying is not an option.
It's okay. I'll be fine.
Just caught me off guard, that's all.
Crackle yang paling gede tuh. Ininya aja deh. 500 lagi. Loh, yang putih apa, yang rambutnya pirang tuh siapa? Ya ini sama ya. Tapi kalau yang gambar knuckle beda lagi. Ini aja deh.
Crackle!
You're in for a beating, you little brats! Cornell fire!
Caught me off guard, that's all.
Crackle lagi deh. Cuma 198 lagi.
Just caught me off guard, that's all.
Not so fast!
Crackle!
You're in for a
Mampus.
beating, you little brats!
Balas.
Cornell fire!
Come on!
Will ini belum pernah coba ya. Udah pernah. Jangan Cornell lah. Pakai ini aja deh udah. Crackle lagi, sikat sama crackle aja, damage-nya paling gede. Kalah. Si Yuki kalah sama Alpina magicnya, kecepatan
It's getting a little
castingnya.
chilly!
Can't take anymore.
Get ready for a little slice and dice. Ha! Stings a little, doesn't it?
Crackle! That was a close one.
Wait,
Oh, ini kayaknya
this isn't over yet.
udah bener nih suaranya, udah sinkronnya. Yang tadi aja mungkin yang nggak sinkron.
And stay there this time, you muscle-bound pea-brain.
Oke, sip lah, mantap.
Yeah, stop following us.
Atau mungkin ini memang bukan apa namanya,
It gets awfully cold out at night,
bukan
so
film ini ya,
here you go.
bukan rekaman gameplay. Ini mah cutscene biasa gitu, makanya sinkron suaranya. Kalau lagi film dia nggak sinkron kayaknya. Oke deh, cover dulu baru save. Kita coba naikin resolusi internalnya ya. Coba naikin resolusi internalnya ke 4K. Apa kuat enggak nih? Save dulu. Grafik resolusi internalnya ke 4K ya. Cobain. Apa ada perubahan atau enggak gitu? Ada peningkatan atau enggak? Terus apa kuat atau enggak? Aduh, ngaco nih. Kok jadi di atas gitu? Coba lagi. Bener ngaco nih. Mungkin karena resolusi monitor saya ini memang cuman 1080 ya, jadi tuh apa namanya tuh, apa sih namanya tuh, posisi ininya, posisi gambar posisi UI-nya jadi acak-acakan kayaknya ya. Tapi kalau lihat gambar ini, aduh, bener-bener mantep nih, tajam banget gitu, super tajam. Tapi UI-nya jadi ngaco, tuh kan jadi di situ. Kita coba aja deh, kalau nanti ada error lagi, ini apa, kita ganti ke resolusi internalnya yang 1080 aja. Kita coba dulu sampai sejauh mana nih errornya. Ini balik lagi ke sini. Kita ini sebenarnya mau kemana ya? Saya lupa. Nggak ada world map lagi. World map. Oh iya, ini strategi advice-nya yang muncul tanda itu ya, yang muncul tanda merah buat mengcancel tuh ini ya. Kalau mau main hardcore atau susah harusnya ini dimatikan, tapi biarin aja deh. Saya mah masih amatir ya. Ini lewat kemana nih harusnya nih? Oh, nggak bisa ya. Berarti emang harus kesini ya. Cuman ini error nih. Internal resolusinya dinaikkan, jadinya kayak gitu. Posisi UI-nya jadi acak-acakan. Jadi kan kalau 1080 segini, kalau misalkan porket jadi dikurangi jadi segini, kotaknya jadi di sini. Jadi dibagi 4 4K gitu, 1, 2, 3, 4 gitu misalkan. Jadi kalau misalkan saya pakai 1080 terus dia 4K, harusnya di tengah jadi di sini atau jadi di mana gitu. Jadi resolusi internal dengan resolusi monitor tuh nggak cocok ya, jadinya kayak gitu ya. Tapi ya mudah-mudahan masih kesananya nggak begitu, masih bisa diakalin lah, bukan diakalin ya, masih bisa terlihat lah gitu, mudah-mudahan ya.
Crackle!
Kameranya nih nggak bisa digerak-gerakin, aduh, sayang banget, sayang 1000 sayang nih, kameranya nggak bisa digerak-gerakin. Kalau dipencet di R2 L2 apa perintahnya hilang lagi. Sayang banget nih kameranya nih ah. Padahal udah bagus game nih, bagus banget gitu. Mister terus
All right, we did it.
Suka banget nih sama lagunya nih. Yang di yang kedua yang lagu yang ini tuh. Wow.
You don't! Now! Got you!
Agak berat ya dikit. Nah memang internal resolusinya terlalu besar nih.
Of course! Sorry, this might hurt.
You don't!
All right, we did it.
Tapi nggak begitu juga sih. Ya cukuplah segini mah. Nggak begitu nge-lag. Pakai 4K lumayan cukuplah bisa. Nah ini suara baru nih. Oh suara baru nih. Pakai crackle aja deh andalan.
This will be more than a little frostbite.
You don't!
Dead langsung. Nggak tahu kenapa nih saya suka banget sama battle sistemnya nih. Nggak sempurna cuman jauh lebih bagus daripada FF13 ya.
Why not make things easier for
Battle
everyone and
system
stay out of our way?
F13 tuh total trash dia tuh. Garbage, total garbage. Seumur-umur main FF, main F13 aku benar-benar kecewa gitu.
Why not make things easier for everyone and stay out of our way?
Tajam banget gambarnya, mantap nih. Nanti saya masukin itunya deh, apa alamat yang membuat tekstur tingginya ya. Cancelnya gimana ya?
Tremor!
All right, we did it.
Yang ingin saya ketahui ini kenapa gitu di giliran di battle kameranya nggak bisa dimaju-maju, nggak bisa digerakkan gitu, anehnya tuh. Fatal itu mah tuh, kenapa ya? Ada pertimbangan apa gitu? Soalnya kalau dilihat nih nggak ada masalah apa kalaupun kameranya diaktifkan. Kalau kayak gini kan nggak enak tuh, mesti pencet ditahan gitu. Bikin aja deh. Kok mau bawa bom dia?
Just caught me off guard, that's all. Why not make things easier for everyone and stay out of our way?
Stone egg buat si Miranda ya. Cuman bisa di-equip enggak? Pakai stone egg deong. Ininya nantinya naik level atau enggak ya, gimana maksudnya ya? Ada tulisan level 1 soalnya. Book an introductory skill book. Ya mungkin kayaknya naik level ini.
Oh, divine comet, bringer of light, illuminate the darkness!
No, you don't!
Keren.
No, you don't!
Gila nggak mati
Why not make things easier for everyone and stay out of our way?
Tapi nggak begitu terlalu kelihatan juga ya internal resolusi 1080 ataupun 4K. Soalnya monitor saya ini cuman 1080 nih, jadi perubahannya nggak begitu kelihatan. Nanti deh kalau ada set kita ganti lagi.
Here I go!
Coba tremor, udah ada telur nih.
Tremor!
Drum.
Oh, divine comet, bringer of light, illuminate the darkness!
Belum pada mati.
All right, we did it!
Ini tuh mananya, oh nggak ada mana. Oh ada ya mana, mananya gede-gede dari tadi nggak pernah diisi. level ya. Guild General, Guild Poundnya dulu deh.
Blade of the winds, cut swift and sure!
Sorry, this might hurt.
Hole nih, anginnya, damage-nya kelihatan gede tapi sedikit ya.
All right, we did it.
Ini kalau di luar nih malah kontrol kameranya ada dua, L1 R1 sama analog kanan. Nah malah di battle nggak ada kontrol kamera, heran. Yang jadi penghalang apa gitu. Set dulu baru ganti lagi ke 1080 deh, biar ini, biar nggak ngaco posisi UI-nya. Balik dulu, save dulu di sini. Nggak begitu beda jauh juga ya, soalnya apa namanya, monitor sayanya cuman 1080. Maklum lah, komputer jadul. Ada ya kelihatan menurun ininya, teksturnya gitu, jadi lebih halus, kurang tajam gitu. Nggak apa-apa lah, masih dalam batas normal, masih cukup bagus juga. Lewat aja deh, bosen lawan yang gitu-gitu mulu. Ada peta dunianya ya, peta yang besar gitu. Aduh, kena juga, larinya cepet. Tremor. Lumayan mengurangi anak-anaknya. Nice.
Why not make things easier for everyone and stay out of our way?
Ini bagus-bagus, treasure chestnya masih hitam, bagus-bagus. Jangan sampai ada yang kelewat dong kalau gitu. Tuh, protective charm, terus Magic ngasihnya tuh bagus-bagus, nggak pelit. Tapi ini bakal cepet levelingnya nih. Tapi ini sinkron juga nih. Yang tadi aja yang gak sinkron tuh. Yang pertama
What a
ngeload.
beautiful ocean. And the mainland is right across there?
Not much longer now.
Yep.
Let's see here.
Jelek banget sih direkam kayak gini tuh. Padahal bikin FMP-nya gitu. Bikin render buat movie-nya. FMP itu
That's
singkatan
strange.
dari apa
I
ya?
don't see any boats. Not a one in sight.
Movie video
In fact,
gitu.
it looks like this hasn't been
F-nya apa
used
ya?
in quite a while.
Hello? Is somebody there? Help me, please.
Badut. Penjahatnya ya yang badut. Bukan.
You wouldn't believe what I've been through.
May I offer you a handkerchief?
You dropped this. What's your name, miss?
Alvina. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's enough. Since you enjoy chatting, why don't you try explaining how you got in there?
Well, it was just a little accident, you see. But now I can fill my lungs with fresh air again and gaze upward to see the sky. And I have you three to thank for it. I'm eternally grateful to you. If there's anything I can do in
eternally
return, don't
grateful to
hesitate
you.
to ask. Anything, I mean it. Ask.
Well, we're trying to get to the mainland. Could you help us get there somehow?
That's right. Maybe you know. Didn't there used to be a dock here?
What's that? You're looking for a sailing vessel then? You're in
You
luck.
come to
I
the
can
right
get you one.
place.
She's fine and fast too.
If this is some sort of scam, I swear.
What? Not at all. The ship is perfectly safe, I guarantee it. I give you my word as a captain.
What?
As a captain? You're telling us you're a sailor?
Yes. The name's Alonzo, madam. Intrepid sailor of the seven seas.
Saya dari sini tuh saya nggak ingat sama sekali nih game ini mau kemana atau kayak gimana gitu.
What's with the funny looks? Don't believe me? Very well then. I can prove it to you. Take a good look at this.
Take a good look at
Is
this.
that what I think it is? Yes, it's a map to the mainland. Wow.
And see this? This is our crib.
I believe him, Miranda. The map seems real enough. His boat should be fine.
Oh, all right then. Well, I admit you appear to be the seafaring type. But can this ship of yours really carry us all the way to the mainland?
What you should ask is if there's anywhere it can't go. And the answer is no.
I don't know. Guess we'll just have to wait and see.
All right, let's get going then. It is a bit of a journey to the West Dock, but you're in good hands. I may not look it, but I'm a formidable fighter.
Aduh, nggak sinkron lagi nih. Kagak sinkron, lewat aja deh. Nggak bisa ya, nggak bisa. Aduh, nggak bisa dilewat lagi. Ini resiko apa? Resiko pakai editan ya kayak gini. Selalu ada masalah. Loh, ininya kok ada di sini? Kan udah di setup, udah di setting ke 1080. Ah, skill. Tidak ada skill, tidak ada skill, tidak ada skill. Udah disetting ke 1080 tapi tetap kayak gitu ya. Kenapa ya? Tuh, UI-nya kok jadi di atas. Kayaknya emang kesini aja ya. Ada lambang, ada ikon kuningnya gitu. Wow.
Take that!
O divine comet, bringer of light, illuminate the darkness!
Just caught me off guard, that's all.
Aduh, salah. Oh, berempat nih ya, baru ngeh saya nih. Berempat rupanya, kirain masih bertiga. Baru tahu bisa berempat.
Get ready for a little slice and dice. Ha! Stings a little, doesn't it?
That's the best you can do. At this rate, I'll be mobbed to death by fans. Take that!
Breaching.
You don't!
Normal attack aja deh. Grand Slam.
Just can't leave out, that's all.
Not so fast!
Howling winds!
Pusing dia nih. Kebanyakan lawan jadinya pusing. Kalian si Miranda nih, aduh.
For everyone and stay out of our way.
Unequipable. Kayaknya ini ya, tether jacket. Bukan. Monster apaan nih? Digging.
It's getting a little chilly.
This will be more than a little frostbite.
Pengen lihat spesialnya. Lancer Smash.
Time to get down and dirty.
Gila, disate. Keras banget, buset. Nggak bisa pakai physical attack.
Crackle! I'm sorry. We had no choice.
Aduh, salah jalan, bos. Ini tuh hasil mutasi kura-kura dengan ular ya.
This will be more than a little frostbite.
Tremor deh.
It's getting a little chilly.
Tremor!
Jelek banget
Why not
posenya
make
tuh.
things easier for everyone and stay out of our way?
Pose tremornya kayak mau Ah. Area attack-nya cuman dikit deh.
It's getting a little chilly.
Crackle!
You don't! Take that!
Kecil banget damage-nya. Di atas gitu kecil banget sih.
Hey, were they even trying?
Ini kenapa terus-terusan jadi gini ya UI-nya? Tuh. Cuman satu. Skill belum ada semua. Kok nggak ada skill ya? Apaan nih udang, gabungan udang sama kalajengking ya?
Here I go!
O divine comet, bringer of light, illuminate the darkness!
Tremor!
Jelek banget posenya.
Why not make things easier for everyone and stay out of our way?
Skillnya naik ke level 3. Tapi kok nggak ada skillnya ya? My robot. Wow.
Tremor!
Siksa. Nggak mati.
All right, we did it!
Banyak juga monsternya nih. Cuman lagi males battle ah.
Is that a casino?
Just wait there. I'll win 3 times, no, 10 times what this thing is worth.
Oh, he tricked us. I knew something wasn't right.
What'll we do?
Hey, we still have time. Let's go get it back.
Kayaknya bakal mini game nih. Males banget sih. Orang duit udah banyak gini. Rokok.
Alonzo! So, you made it back alive, huh? Let's see if your good luck holds out. How did you like floating at sea all night in that nice barrel? It must get pretty chilly out there. Do yourself a favor, just give up. It's for your own good, so you ought to listen to me, sweetie.
Kayaknya nih game bagusan yang kedua ya.
I'm sorry,
Bagusan yang
but I
kedua
didn't
dari
come here to
battle
engage in
systemnya.
idle chatter. I've come here to beat you, Bianca.
Kayaknya sih.
Hey!
That's ours.
Well, I suppose it's worth about 100,000.
Okay, then I'm gonna bet this brooch. Just watch. I'll win this
Udah
place
pasti
away from you
kalah.
and everything in it.
Plot ceritanya udah bisa
Give it your
ditebak.
best shot.
Thief! Give that brooch back to Alfina! Step aside, let me through!
Back off, kid. You're too late, the game has started.
But...
No.
Oh, we never should have gotten involved with him.
Oh, so is this your meal ticket, Alonzo? Ha! That explains where you got the brooch. Yes, she certainly seems the type. Just look at her.
What?
The game is arranged dice as usual. And you know the rules.
Aduh, nggak bisa nih, susah. Keep them coming. Nggak ngerti ya. Gia hahaha. Game is rigged, man. No gamble
Please.
game
Somebody,
is not
lend me
rigged.
some money.
Sorry, buddy. I should have known. What a loser.
Just one more game. Please, I'm begging you.
Sorry, no hard feelings, Alonzo.
See you later. Give it up, buddy.
Too bad.
We don't have any money, right? Sure don't. Right.
No! Sorry you had to witness that. Pitiful, I know.
So what are you gonna do? That brooch wasn't yours!
Sorry.
What? Are you crazy? Sorry's not gonna cut it!
Oh, do you mean this little trinket once belonged to you? I hope the three of you learned your lesson. Only a fool would put their faith in old Alonzo the loser here.
Hey, you hold on a minute. He tricked us. We don't even know him.
It's true. He told us he was the captain of a ship.
What? He said he was the captain of a ship? Boy, oh boy, now that's a good one. How can Alonzo be a captain when he doesn't even have a ship?
No ship? Huh?
What?
Is that true? Answer me! I see. It was all a lie. The ship, the map, everything.
Bianca!
Yes?
One more time. Please. Just one more game tomorrow. And if you win, I promise to make you my...
Really?
I never lie to a woman. My word is a solemn bond. Can we stay in your ship's cabin tonight?
Males Gak usah ini ya.
I feel just awful about all this.
Aduh.
Somehow I managed to lose your brooch
Nggak
and
ini
drag
lagi,
you into my
nggak sinkron
problems.
lagi nih.
Come on. Are you really sorry?
What am I going to do? That brooch is very important to me. Very important. Don't you see?
What are you planning to do,
Mendingan pakai
Alonzo?
yang standar
What if-
aja lah
I'll
kalau
win.
kayak gini mah.
This whole mess is my fault. No matter what it takes, I'll make it right. So tomorrow, I'll put it all on the line and win. Finally, I'll take control of my life.
Gimana skipnya nih?
Maybe this
Malah save. Oh ini skipnya. Ininya nggak bener nih. Save dulu gitu aja deh. Oke, sekarang udah pakai yang normal ya. Teksturnya. Saboteur in. Aduh, jadi bener-bener ngaco nih. Atau emang di situ ya? Enggak dulu tuh. Wah, segini cukup lah, nggak apa-apa, nggak begitu tajam juga. Oh, skillnya harus dibeli juga. Belinya banyakan aja deh. Lizard Hunter. Kalau nggak salah tuh, kalau yang kedua tuh ada versi remaster aslinya tuh. Mungkin kita mainkan itu ya habis inilah. Ini kita bikin sampai part 3 aja deh. Yang pasti yang saya ingat tuh memang yang kedua ya. Tuh all magic user sama Grace. Warrior Way passive defense. Jangan pakai itu ah. Skillnya 2 pakainya dia. Aduh. Udah. Nambah 1 pakai heal aja deh buat kepepet nanti. Nambah 1 pakai hall biar area dia. Nah, harusnya di situ, di tengah-tengah. Aduh, salah pencet. Tidurnya gimana ya? Apa barusan ada in? Ya udah tahu ini in ya, cuman tidurnya di mana? Setup quit. Loh, nggak bisa tidur ya? Apa udah ya? Masih malam kayaknya nih. Keluar nggak bisa juga. Tukang game bom ya gitu lah, pasti habis semuanya. Waters. Udah reot. Perahunya udah reot. Jadi kemana nih? Disuruh tidur nggak ada bobonya di mana buat. Katanya besok katanya. Cuman nggak tahu di mana nih tidurnya. Adain tapi nggak ada tempat buat tidur. All Hill katanya, coba lihat. All Hill nggak ada. Kemana nih? Magic, oke. Burn strike. Boleh lah. Lagi kaya nih. Burn strike mana ya? Oh itu berarti remove dulu yang yang mana, yang ini aja deh. Send a flock of firebird flying at the enemy. Kayaknya area damage nih yang saya butuhkan. Kemana nih? Just want to catch your pretty face. It's disgusting. You're playing with your eyelash. Kayaknya dia winking ya kayaknya tuh. Aduh. Jadi kemana nih? Udah nggak ada yang di ini. Harus kemana nih? Burn strike spell. Aduh, bingung nih. Kayaknya nih kita harus tidur nih, cuman di mana gitu. Tidurnya di mana gitu. Oh, ini dia nih. Harusnya lewat situ kayaknya. Aduh. Nah, ini udah normal nih. Apa cutscene-nya udah normal nih.
I guess the ship rocks back and forth, even when docked.
Yes, it's soothing, isn't it? When I'm ashore on steady ground, it just doesn't feel right.
It just doesn't feel right.
Hey, check it out.
Oh, so you like that, do you? That's a tusk from a North Sea walrus.
Really? What about that one?
Oh,
That,
masih
my young friend, is a piece
masih
of
tidak
coral that can
sinkron
only be
juga nih.
found in the South Seas. And next to it is a sacred
Kayaknya dari
chalice
patch
exhumed
ya.
from the watery grave of a sunken temple.
Dari patch 60 fps kayaknya nih.
Well, I guess I was completely wrong about you, Alonzo. You really are a sailor.
Sebenarnya nggak perlu
I'm sorry.
60 fps sih. Nggak begitu kelihatan juga.
What goes here?
There? This does.
Aduh, tidak sinkron
This
lagi.
is where it really belongs.
It's the map you showed us.
Hey, part of the map is missing.
That's right. It's unfinished. Can you guess why? I'll tell you. This map is one of a kind. It only shows the places that I've traveled to and seen with my own two eyes. It's my personal map.
Wow, one of a kind.
And until I...
Aduh. Oke, udah ya. Ini saya aktifkan kembali tekstur HD-nya ya. Kelihatan nih kan tajam banget nih. Aduh, mantap banget nih. Cuman saya aktifkan tekstur sama matikan FPS ya, FPS 60 gitu. Mudah-mudahan udah bener nih ininya, apa namanya, cutscene-nya gitu. Padahal di patch tuh ada cutscene fix tapi nggak aktif ya, nggak aktif dia tuh. Jadi mending dimatikan aja itunya, apa, 60 fps nya nggak begitu ngaruh juga. Ini udah 60 malah. Cuman speednya jadi cepet banget nih. Ada yang salah mungkin nih. Nanti save lagi deh. Harusnya speed peak nih ya, pakai speed peak diaktifkan. Mana sih itunya? Kok nggak ada? Bianca is a cheater. Orang semua bandar pasti cheat. Udah dijamin pasti cheat. Nggak mungkin orang bikin tempat judi kalau mau kalah gitu, mau ngasih uang, nggak mungkin banget. Oke, lanjut. Udah ya, udah diperbaiki speednya. Udah bener juga nih kelihatannya nih. Oh, barusan tuh terlalu cepet. Nah, ini udah bener nih. Cuman masalahnya sekarang nih harus kemana gitu. Jadi gimana nih? balik lagi ke perahu gitu. Sini nggak ada yang baru. Coba di perahu. Ini saya akui ya, gambarnya memang makin tajam kalau pakai HD tekstur ya. Oh, masih di sini. Oke. Bobo dulu, bobo dulu. They must be in the casino. I hope they didn't start without me.
I assume you're prepared to lose this game and win my hand.
Nah, ini cutscene-nya udah bener nih.
I gave you all my word as a sailor. Here and now, I'm putting myself on the line at this gaming table. The stakes are high. And if I lose, then I promise to marry Bianca.
What? Marry her?
What?
Huh? You've got to be kidding. Marry her? I won't go along with this.
All right, that's enough chattering. Roll the dice, Alonzo. I can't wait for our honeymoon.
Aduh, masih juga nih. Soalnya saya lihat FPS-nya masih 60 juga nih. Padahal udah dimatikan 60 FPS-nya. Ya udahlah, nggak apa-apa, skip. Nggak mau di skip lagi. Kok jadi mess up gini ya ininya? Gara-gara pakai tekstur HD nih ya. Plus roll bonus kali 10. Gak ngerti gamenya juga kayak gimana nih.
Now do your best, Alonzo, darling. After all, this is for our future, you know.
What do you think you're doing?
Buat
Get
mancing
your hands
kayaknya
off
ya.
my Alonzo, you little hussy!
Mancing. Biar teralihkan itunya.
Alonzo wins!
Impossible.
Alonzo won!
Impossible.
Be quiet! That should have been a 12. Why isn't it? Why, Miserable cheater, you tricked me, Alonzo.
So, you knew the dice were going to turn up a 12, did you?
It's rigged! The casino's rigged! She's a swindler!
The game is over. You owe us about, wow. I don't even know where to begin counting. You've got a problem. How are you gonna pay for this?
I'll pay. Quit worrying. Look. And if that's not enough, I can offer you my beautiful rings. Oh.
You make me sick! If you want something, then earn it. It's not that hard. If you're a cheater, you'll never be anything but a loser.
I am a cheater.
I'll get you for this.
I want to split my winnings with everyone! Forgive me.
Oh, the nerve of that woman. Trying to win someone's
Okay,
love by cheating.
so
Well,
they
I hope
live
she gets hers someday.
happily ever after.
I know how you feel. But don't be too hard on Bianca. I mean, she's only trying to get by. It's not easy for a woman to make it alone in a place like
Get
this.
up your hand off her.
Had she and I
She's mine.
met under different circumstances, then maybe... Now, we set sail. Everybody meet at the pier when you're ready.
Udah ready, langsung aja naik perahu. Admiral uniform. Intelijennya berkurang 54 jadi 52 30. Janganlah, mending pakai soldier book. Kok malah pedangnya turun? Unequipable semua. Admiral. Win egg. Setting dulu win egg magicnya. Loh, bukan di sini. Udah ya.
Man, I wish I had wings too. Well, I did once. My friend and I built our own airplane. I tried to fly to the mainland with it, but it didn't work out.
The mainland, huh?
I made my friend a promise. I told him that our dream was gonna come true. I said I'd become the best pilot in the world.
Tell me, what does it mean to be the best in the world?
Huh?
How do you know if you've succeeded? Who decides that you're the best one?
Well...
I mean, do you become the best in the world when you make it to the mainland? Or after you've flown around the world? Will you be done with flying as soon as you've done these things?
No, I never want to stop. I just want to keep flying. Higher and higher.
Yeah. That's what dreams are like, kid. You never even think about
harusnya kayak
what
gini
you
ya.
do if they actually came
Cuman
true
30
because
harusnya nih.
you get so wrapped up in them.
Kalau 30 fps dia normal.
You'll find your dream someday.
Kalau 60 fps nggak normal.
You're going to fly high, Yuki. I have no doubt about it.
Oke lah, skip. Ada orang barusan di skip, kayaknya ada perintah harus kemana gitu. Mai Miranda kemana ya? Malah bolak-balik. Sini kayaknya nih. Good night. Kok nggak ada save ya? Tumben di sini nggak ada save. Oh ini panjang umurnya baru juga diomongin. Sampai ke darat dulu deh. Udah di darat baru kita cut dulu nih part 2-nya. Kayaknya kita udahin sampai part ketiga aja deh. What noise? What? What are you talking about? Gila, banyak kali pun. Gak mau mau ini aja. Burn strike cuman 1. Kirain buat banyak orang, buat banyak monster. Kita turuti deh. Ini juga nggak ada magic buat apa namanya, buat area attack. Nah gitulah, salah satu kekurangannya nih kameranya nih. Ini mau lihat apa coba? Atau mungkin ada yang tahu nih gimana cara setting kameranya nih? Tuh kan balik lagi kalau dilepas. Iya bener nih, kayaknya lebih bagus yang kedua nih. Kayaknya ya, lupa sih soalnya. Jadi yang selama ini saya ingat tuh rupanya yang kedua tuh, yang ada si Ryu-nya. Ryu tuh nggak tahu orangnya atau nggak tahu burungnya gitu.
Oh divine comet, bringer of light, illuminate the darkness.
Kayaknya burungnya ya. Ryu apa gitu namanya tuh. Ryudo gitu. Nggak tahu lah, mungkin nanti kita tes aja. Sekalian testing yang versi HD remasternya. Waduh, balik lagi. Di cancel, males banget sih.
Take that!
Mati kok berdua kah? Dari tadi kek.
Make things easier for everyone and stay out of our way.
What do we do? We're surrounded.
Back!
Ada naga.
Look, Yuki! A dragon!
What is
A
that?
dragon?
Dragon. What the hell is that? Dragon Rider.
Hey! That's not the Alonzo I remember.
You really saved us there, Ulf. That was perfect timing.
I thought a veteran sailor like you would have enough sense to set a course clear of the boat swallows' territory.
But that's just it. They had no reason to be in this area. If you ask me, it's strange.
Do you think maybe it's because of all those
earthquakes? Well, I can't rule it out.
Huh? What are you talking about?
And who's this?
His name's Yuki. He says he's an airplane pilot.
Airplane? Ah, then you're a flyer too.
Hey, that hurt! What's the big idea?
That's just his way of saying hello. It's a compliment.
I'm Ulf. Nice to meet ya.
So, has anything odd happened recently?
Yeah, another one of those nasty quakes hit. I heard it even did some serious damage to a castle somewhere.
Nobody knows when those things are gonna strike next. Yuki, you should probably be careful when you're... Huh?
Wow. Your dragon. It was flying earlier, wasn't it?
You saw us fly, didn't you? And don't call him it. He's got a name, you know. He goes by the name of Sheba. Got that?
Cool.
Sheba.
Hi there. Sheba?
Well, Yuki, like my dragon?
Oh yeah, you bet I do. After all, I love flying. Wow.
Wanna take a ride?
Really?
Why not ask Sheba? If he's in a good mood, he'll let you ride him.
Try brute force. Janganlah nanya dulu deh. Ini dipukul. Hahaha. Not when it comes to playing. Paksa. Oke, nih kayaknya kita udahan aja dulu deh untuk part keduanya ya. Cari save dulu. Di sebelah mana ya save-nya tuh? Mungkin pada kumpul di sini. Atau kenapa ya si Miranda ini cutek. No. Pada kaget. What? Or I mean, you must be tired, Alvina. You should rest. Good. I mean, that's right. Leave the cooking to me. You just take it easy. Well, okay. Dig in, everybody. If there's not enough, I can always go get some more. Males gini-gininya lama banget sih. I'm gonna get some air.
Alfina, what's wrong?
It's nothing at all. Everything's fine. Really.
Ini kita udahi dulu deh, sampai di sini dulu untuk part keduanya ya. Insya Allah saya masih akan lanjut ke part ketiga nanti ya. Tapi untuk part kedua kita sudahi dulu videonya sampai di sini saja. Terima kasih sudah menonton dan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.